Need a hand?
It wouldn't hurt. So Angel's down here saying she's got another beaver.
She is. She didn't think there was one in that second conifer, but there is. And she says it's just a baby, but she said that about that big one too.
Yeah.
Maybe she pulled this one out and looked.
You got something, Angel?
Yeah. Oh, Aubrey's calling. I do. Got another one.
Are your feet getting cold yet?
No, not yet. These waders are pretty good. I do have a leaking spot about right. A baby. Oh, my waders. I put my phone in my back pocket. So I just got drenched. Fucking baby beavers.
Well, way to go. So that's 2 out of 3, right? Yeah. Boy, you're the woman.
She just got water down her waders.
Oh, you did?
Yep, I just peed my pants. No, I'm just kidding. It's very cold if that's what happened.
Well, there's no shrinkage with you women anyway.
No, shoot. Yeah, that guy almost went all the way through, didn't he?
He almost fits in it. Just perfect.
That's exactly. There's 2 of 3 sets. Isn't bad.
It's a better day. Maybe I'll help you carry that one too.
Oh, you want the light work?
I got this. Yours. I'll help you.
kidding.
Don't make me just at you. Good job.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's what I came here to do. Trap Nebraska's in.
I know.
Trap Nebraska's. Trap beaver in Nebraska.
There you go.
I
already know.
Coffee.
I don't think I've been long enough now. This is my emotional support. I throw sticks.
Oh, thank you.
This is how I support Angel.
These ones are the softest, though. I will say that. I think
They are.
So that means you got a whole family in here, and you will have plenty.
Yes, I think so too. I trap them every year,
So
but I don't use the 3 points.
Right. But
I'm a
that's
fair
good.
weather beaver trapper.
Angel, do you ever eat any of the critters you
I
catch?
do. I just made beaver and barley stew for everyone last night.
Oh, boy, I bet that was good.
There's
was
leftovers.
good. There's leftovers. You can have some.
Okay.
That's one of my favorite dishes to make with beaver. Beaver is my favorite wild game to eat. We
Me
make
too.
a lot of it at the house, at my house.
Well, that's it. Now, there's a new method. I haven't seen that.
What?
Well, where you're grabbing the jaws with the setter.
Oh. Yeah, that's just how I do it.
Yeah.
Piece of shit. This is what happens when you do it in the field.
Nikki, you wanna?
Yesterday I caught my spring. I didn't have any wire. And I don't have all my gear. I use a lot of Belials back home, and the safeties they just flip over and you don't gotta worry about it. I have some traps that I have wires on too, but
Yeah, I like those Belial.
oh, I love them. I love them. The trap itself is super. It's built well. And so yesterday it was caught up here, which sucked. But it didn't slow them down, which is nice.
There it goes, down into the deep,
Down.
dark tunnel.
Yes, I'm caught on a stick.
get nailed by a
Yes.
conibear type trap?
Yep. I have.
How'd that feel?
It was great. No. It was my first year trapping beavers actually, and I was down in a run, probably water up about here, and I had one of those Magnum 330s. It's got the wider jaws on them, and I saw my safety. It just wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't where I wanted it, and I screwed up, and I caught myself like this on my waders on the tip of my hands, but only one spring had sprung because that safety had caught. And Pat finally comes over, and after he got done laughing at me, he finally pulled me out of the water. But even with one spring, it was enough. It was enough to I didn't want to be caught no more. So to be super mindful, I always follow my leads, and I gotta respect them, that's for sure. But they are my tool that I use all the time.
She is a dedicated water trapper.
Just need one more. This side. Secured enough. There's already kind of a natural dive stick here under the water. You can't see it.
You think that beaver will be hugging the bottom anyway? Yeah.
Yeah, especially with the ice. But since this is an open spot for a couple hours, few hours, I don't know how long, but they might try to, I mean, they should come to the bottom and up. So, as long as they're secured and can't mess around, that's it.
Your other one's already icing up.
Yeah, it won't take too long. I always feel like the fat kid in 5 snowsuits with my waders on.
Alright, way
All right.
Setters.
Setters. Brain.
That's alright. There you go.
Oh yeah. I see that. Is that the big one?
Angel,
Yes.
what knife do you use?
Wiebe Knives.